Gómìnà Àkúrẹ́ Ẹ̀pà Àjẹ̀bú tẹ̀síwájú. Ògidì Ẹ̀pà Àjẹ̀bú ń kọjá lọ. Àpòrò ikọ́, àpòrò inú, àpòrò ejò. Àpòrò àkejì, àpòrò inú rúru. Iná bá ròyìn àlèjalè kí sóbi gbóná. Ilé èèyàn bá ń pẹ́ ní.
Nigeria yìí ṣá, things were not in order at all. Torí coronavirus, everything was locked down. No money, no food. Àwọn oníṣẹ́ wọ́kàn yìí ti yí gan tó jẹ́ pé a ò jáde a ò jẹun ni. No work, no food níṣẹ́ wà. Ṣé báwo ṣe máa bá lọ rè since morning látàárọ̀ 200 naira ni mo pa tí mo ti kiri lọ. 200 naira, ṣé 200 naira níyàwó mi àtọmọ mi máa fi jẹun ní títí di ọ̀túnla tí wọ́n tún máa fi ní free movement wà. Àfi k'Ọlọ́run ṣàánú wa o, k'Ọlọ́run intervene o, torí lè yóò yé wa sí Ọlọ́run. Hello.
I'm Dapo Abiodun, Governor, Ogun State.
Yeah, my able governor, my wonderful governor, His Excellency Sir Double Twale, I respect you. Long life and prosperity. One man army international.
Coronavirus is highly infectious. It is deadly. It is here.
My able governor, people are hungry and they are hungry. Daddy governor, number one, sir, governor, you say conflict 19, conflict. Governor, people are hungry and they are hungry.
Wash your hands regularly or use a hand sanitizer. If you must go out, please wear a face mask. Together, we will defeat COVID-19.